Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a news item for today. The news item of today is a big one. Not everybody here is interested in Apple and all of that, but since this channel can dab with technology also, it's a technology bit. It seems that Tim Cook will be stepping down on September 1st. For a while, it was a rumor. Even Tim Cook himself had, in several interviews, said, no, I'm not stepping down. Well, he kind of is. September the 1st. John Ternus will be the next CEO. He is actually the Senior VP of Hardware Engineering. And so it seems that it will make new blood, new change. Tim Cook comes from the era of Steve Jobs. I consider the most exciting moments of Apple mostly with Steve Jobs. Tim Cook had really nothing exciting. We can say that, since then, I call it that Apple has been boring. And for the most part, what he did was, bring the company to higher values. But overall, we can't say there's anything major in achievement. It's really not what the Steve Jobs era was. So it'll be interesting to see as we move on if the new CEO can maybe do new things and make things exciting again in terms of Apple. This is a change of pace. I consider the stepping down of Tim Cook as the basically as the end of the Steve Jobs era. We're now moving to a new Apple forward with, of course, Tim Cook is going to be on the board of directors, but still, I consider that this is kind of a new Apple in a new direction. We'll see what happens. We'll see how well things happen, and will we have exciting new things in the future? It's going to be interesting to see what happens with that in maybe AI and so on. So this is the news for today, April the 20th. Tim Cook is retiring, stepping down from Apple CEO September the 1st, 2026. By the way, the time of transition might take a little longer, so the new CEO might not be there before the beginning of 2027. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.